Hi everyone, and back again with another movie in our series Windows 7 and 8 tips and tricks. And today I will go more deep and I will show you step by step how to learn tricks and tips um, that will make you have a lot of control on your system. We will learn today how to have an energy report, how to add a sleep button to our start menu, how to activate the checkbox in Windows Explorer, how to have a full control of your control panel, and a very useful trick about command prompt, how to have a link to our videos, and how to have an address bar in our taskbar. And I will keep to the end the best thing, how to have a God mode. What is God mode? I will see it and I will show you and I will explain everything to you about it. So let's start and have some fun. The first thing is how to have a report. A lot of people use a laptop this time, but what's your battery doing? It's healthy or it's bad, need to change or what? So with this trick I will show you how to have lots of information about your computer and about your battery. So click and type cmd to launch command prompt, but I need to start it as administrator or run as administrator. They will ask me for confirmation, of course, yes. Okay, keep going, and now I will type a line of code to create the report. But before that, where I will save that report, I will create a folder. I will call it I will say that folder on C. Okay, I will call disk tops. Okay, and on that folder I will save my report. Okay, start typing the code power cfg space dash energy space dash output and space where I wanna save it. C backward slash desktops backward slash the name of the report. I will call it power or energy report uh, I will save it as HTML file. Okay, and hit enter. This operation will take about 60 seconds, and this time I will explain what I did. First of all, I create a folder desktop on the hard drive C. Okay, after I launch the command power cfg energy output to have a scan and analyze my computer, my laptop, and save the result on that file. That file will have all the results, all the informations, and all the details, all the errors, all the warnings, all the informations about my battery. So at this time, just sit and go backward and watch and see, just few seconds, and few informations will be appear one by one. Now the command prompt start to observe the informations, and now the analyze the tracing data, and after that will show me the errors and warnings, not just the numbers, not the errors itself, because all the errors and the warning will be saved in here. Okay, this thing will be very useful if you want to change, for example, your battery. You just take this report, print it, and take it with you to the computer shop, and people there will help you. I have 2 errors, 15 warning, and 14 informations. Just close now, exit, go to the folder I create. Okay, let's see, go to C, desktops. This is the report. Wow, it's created. Just open it. Excuse me. Let's see what I have on this report. I can't explain everything on the report, just say I want to show you that the report is created now. Make it a bit bigger, some zoom in. Let's see here some informations about my computer name, the date of scan, the duration, even my laptop brand, like the date when the date of the OS system, Windows, even like the build of the system, everything in here. And go down, see some errors, warnings, go down, you can see a lot of data in here, informations about my system, about my CPU. Oh wow, it's a lot of informations and very useful. This, for example, if you're working in company, if you want to show this data to your head manager, will be very, something interesting. Wow, look, this information about this computer and this computer and this computer. And if you want to do that many times, I have an idea. Let's see that I don't need to type it every time. Okay, I go to, if I'm working in company, have a lot of, for example, hundreds of computers. I don't need to go to each computer and type the line of code. I will do something nice. I can create a bat file. Okay, um, just type this mkdir, this line of code, C / desktops, and power cfg space dash energy space dash output and space C / desktops / report energy energy 2 html. Now I create a file, have the line of codes I used before, and I will save it as a bat file. Save as, I will call it report dot bat, and save it, and it's created. I don't need that one, I don't need it, just delete. Okay, and now I will make and I will share it. Okay, and then I will execute that file from each computer on my company, but I will show you now how to execute it. I will make it now. I will show you one mistake. I will do it. I know it's a mistake, but I will do it. Just double click. As you can see, it's run and gone. I go to my computer, go to C, to the desktop, and you will find nothing, only the report I created before. Where is the second report? It's not there. Wow, what mistake I made. I will click right, make edit. I will see the code. Everything looks fine. everything looks fine. So what's the problem? The problem is I didn't run it as administrator. This is the mistake. I will run as an administrator. Confirmation, yes, go ahead. Now it's run, and we'll take this time 60 seconds, not like before, just 1 second. So while we are waiting, because we know the result will be there, I will show you how to add a sleep button to the start menu. A lot of time, it's lunch time, and I wanna go, and I wanna leave, for example, the update running on the background. I don't wanna block it. Installation of downloading or installation of the updates. If I go and I click start, shut down, everything will go on, and I need to do everything back again, run all the application. But all I want to do is go to sleep. But I'll, if I am very rush, I can make an accident and go and click shut down, and everything will go on. For not have this kind of accidents, I want to have sleep here, not shut down. I will click right and choose property and go, and from here, from this menu, I will select sleep. You can choose what you want, what suits you. In my case, I choose sleep, and I click OK, and see what I have. I have sleep now. I didn't have shut down. This is a nice trick to choose what we have in here. Just make it back, because I love to shut down my computer. Okay, and okay, and back to normal again. Okay, as I can see, is the command prompt is gone now. Go check now. Go to see desktop, and I have two reports in here, and they have the same thing, because it's the same computer. I don't need to open it. Now I want to show you something very useful if you spend a lot of time with control panel. I go to control panel, I click. You see what's this? I have a menu. I don't have it like before. I save a lots of time with doing this, because I don't need to click and go to the next window and click again, because you know the normal, the basic thing in control panel, it's just normal window, and you keep clicking to find what you want. Like that, you find everything in one menu. How to have this? Just go, click right, properties, go customize, and in here, from that menu, go to control panel, and from that control panel, choose what suits you. If you choose this display as a link, this is the normal, this is by default the one as before. If you choose display as a menu, this is the result you saw before. I will make it back to by default, because I have what it's best than have it as a menu. I will show you that later. Okay, click OK and click OK, and now control panel back to normal, as you can see. Now let's see. As you can see here, I have music, photos, documents, and videos as well. How did I add that video in here? It's the same trick. Click right and properties and customize, go to the last one. I'm sure it's near the bottom. The last one, as you can see, by default it's don't display that. This is by default, but for me I show it as a menu. Okay, and I click OK, and OK. Now for people who use command prompt a lot, I don't need that one, just delete it. Who use command prompt a lot, they will thank me for that trick. For example, you go to hard drive, you go to that, for example, desktop, for example. Imagine that you are in command prompt, how to reach this place. You will type cd cd desktop. If you have a lot of subfolders, how many times you will type cd cd cd, keep going. Imagine that you want open the command prompt in here. How to do that? There is a very useful trick. Just hold on the shift key and click right. Now just from this menu you can see open command prompt windows here. Wow, it's in the same folder I am choosing. This is very useful tool if you love to work with command prompt, and if there is a ton of subfolders, that one will be very useful for you. Now I will show you another trick. If for example you want to select a lot of files to move them around, okay, I will go to let's see, go to one folder, for example my documents. Okay, let's see, I wanna move some. For example, I wanna select, for example I wanna select that one, and I wanna select that one. It's gone. I wanna select the two, both of them. How can I do that? I hold on the shift key. Okay, I wanna select that one too. The other two gone. I should keep going, hold on the shift key. Sometimes some mistakes happening and you don't remember which one you select, which one you didn't select. There is a very nice trick to add a checkbox on the corner of each file. Let's do that. Just go to our left hand corner, organize, folder and search, go to view, and from here go near the bottom. I'm sure it's near the bottom, and as you can see here, use checkbox for select items. Just check it and okay. Let's see now. Just hover over any file, hover over it, and as you can see there is a checkbox. I don't need to be worried if holding anything. Just with one hand I can select anything, folder, anything I want, and I can select it. And if I wanna uncheck, just click on it and check. This is a very nice trick, for people they love to move a lot of photos, for example, from folder to another folder, and they don't wanna keep repeat the work, if they make any mistakes. Now some people they love to have address bar in the taskbar. Very simple, just click right and go to the toolbar and select address, and now just type, for example, Google, and hold on the control key and hit enter. and your default browser will open showing you Google, you know, without need to open and type, you know, it save some time. Okay, and now after this is before the last trick. Now let's just waiting for Google to appear. Let's take some time. Now Google is there, just close, and I keep the best thing, the best trick tonight to the last. Okay, how to do that? How to have a God mode. What God mode is? First of all, God mode is 160 useful tool hidden, all of them in one folder. How to have them in one folder? Just create a normal folder, and this folder will not have any name, have a special name. That name is a line of code. This code is available here. I will make it available for you to download. Just copy it, just click right, create a normal folder, like normal, just normal folder. Folder, and this is the name of the folder. As you can see, this folder is two parts. First is the name, God mode. That one can be anything, can be the magic folder, can be God mode, can be my tools, can be anything, but the rest of it is the code shouldn't be changing. Just copy it as it is and enter. As you can see, only God mode stay there, nothing else. As you can see, if I try to rename it, nothing, but the icon change. I open that folder, and here we are. All the application hidden from me, it's there waiting for me. If I wanna change, customize experience, if I wanna change user accounts, and it's by category, you know, as you can see, actions, administrative tools, autoplay, backup, BitLooker, all these things we will see them later, and color management, and a ton of, you know, softwares, tools, all of them available for you. This is a very nice, you know, folder. Have anything and everything you can think about, and it's there for you. I close everything and back to our desktop, and we'll continue our series from here.